Oh, in the past week, I have traveled to many cities, which made me relax my body in the intense study life and made me more mindful. And the thing that I find it easiest to be mindful is my emotional state. Whenever my emotion changes, I can always perceive it. For, for example, when someone behaves impolitely, I will feel angry and will come forward to stop him from doing so. Uh, and another example, when my exam results are good, I will feel happy. I think physical state is more difficult to be mindful because when the body is sick or in some other conditions, its symptoms are usually mild when it occurs on my body at first, so it is not easy for me to manage. I think some of the strategies I use to be more aware of myself cannot to be used uh, more mindful in the ways that I found difficult because physical state and emotional state are totally two different state. So I should be looking forward another if more effective strategies to get over the things that is difficult to me to find it to be mindful. And in the future, I think I should take ways to improve my concentrations on the things to make myself mindful, such as I should take more exercise and using my brain a lot. I will use these strategies to enhance my personal values so I can try my best to overcome these challenging situations.